Hi everybody and welcome to my living room. We're getting ready to finish up the course here at Education 205, and I wanted to give you a few tips on how to be successful in the next two assignments as you are coming to the finish line. The two assignments that we're going to be looking at are the Disposition assignment and the Learning Theories paper. Let's tackle the easy one first. Of course, you do need to have your live text subscription, and most of you should already have that completed. You can compose your disposition assignment directly in live text. In fact, I would recommend that you open up a Word document that you compose in Word and that you copy and paste into live text. It is not a paper. What you're going to do is you're going to take each of the SCRIP dispositions and you're going to compose some narrative. I'm going to recommend 3 to 5 sentences about how you displayed or how you showed that particular disposition. That one's only a 20-point assignment, but it's pretty easy 20 points, and you shouldn't have a big issue there. Let's deal with the Learning Theories paper. And I've got myself some notes here I wanted to refer to on the disposition paper so that we're all on the same page. First of all, it is a 5 to 7 page paper. And you need to be aware that that does not include the title page. It also does not include the reference page. And that narrative needs to be composed completely of your content of a theory that best matches with something that that you can connect with. And of course, you're going to develop over the years. But you've looked at a lot of different theories in this course. You've looked at constructivism, you looked at behaviorism, you've looked at cognitive learning theory, a lot of different things. And perhaps one or maybe two of those theories can in fact connect with who you are as a professional. So what you're going to do is you're going to begin to theorize about how that would look in your classroom, noting particularly how that would look for differentiation, how that would look for assessment, how that would connect with your particular children. And that discussion will ensue in the 5 to 7 pages of narrative. It is a good idea to use sections. That way your intention is very much clear and there's no guesswork about what you meant to say. And to do that, what I would recommend is that you start with the outline process. Take a look at the rubric. Don't forget the rubric because it is kind of important. That's the tool that I have to use to assess your work product. And then develop an outline, which is really nothing more than a writing template, and that keeps you in focus. Students always have questions about professional sources. We'll discourage you from using sources, of course, like Wikipedia. That would not count as one of your 5 sources. The Bible is a source, but it won't count as one of your 5. So your other sources, you're certainly welcome to use your textbook as one of those sources, or other journal articles that you've come across may be used as professional sources that basically complement your work piece. So as you're putting that package together, again, make sure that the 5 to 7 pages does not include your title page or your reference page. Also, please make sure you observe the APA parameters. We're professionals here, so please be aware that you should not be changing the font to 12.5 or 13 or engineering the margins at 1 1/4 instead of 1. Be sure you observe the standard parameters for APA, and that'll take care of some of the funny business that I sometimes come across in scoring these products. I do hope you have learned a few things and you're able to carry that into your next course. And if I do not get to see you again, I do wish you well as you continue as your tenure as a student.